Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer. Today, we're diving into the KEDIERS PC Case W012, a remarkable gaming computer case that's turning heads. We'll explore its features, design, and performance to see if it's the right fit for your gaming setup. The KEDIERS PC Case W012 comes with an array of impressive features. It boasts 7 PWM fans, including 6 120mm ARGB fans and one 90mm black fan. These fans not only keep your system cool but also offer customizable lighting options to match your style. This case features 3 4mm thick tempered glass panels, providing a clear view of your components and RGB lighting. The hinged side panels make it easy to access your hardware while enhancing airflow. The Intelligent I/O panel offers a variety of ports, including 2 USB 3.0 ports, 1 Type-C port, and high-definition audio. It ensures that you have all the connectivity options you need for your gaming peripherals. The KEDIERS PC Case W012 is a Mid Tower ATX case, accommodating ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards. It provides ample space for your components, with support for multiple 360mm radiator setups and various storage options. The case's unique panoramic design combines style and functionality, making it perfect for gamers, content creators, and tech enthusiasts alike. It sets your PC setup apart from the rest. The W012 supports a wide range of motherboard sizes, including ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX. It offers flexibility for future upgrades and customization. The KEDIERS PC Case W012 is a standout choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts. With its impressive features, stunning design, and spacious interior, it's a top contender for creating the ultimate gaming rig. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your PC setup with this exceptional case. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to UK Pro Reviewer for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.